Hey y'all, it's Tuesday night, and y'all, this new time got me messed up. It's almost 7 o'clock, but I made a let me see if I can show it to y'all. I made um chicken, shrimp, and sausage fettuccine, and my son don't like sausage. I'm sorry, he don't like the shrimp, so he won't eat that, so we literally have to pick it out and eat it. So I just want to show y'all what it looks like. I usually just do chicken, but I just had a taste for a little something different. And I take chicken breast and I place it in the pound it and place it in the oven to bake it. And this is what it looks like inside. I don't like mine dried out. And I have a recipe for my chicken fettuccine. The only thing I did was fry my sausage, and then I fried my shrimp separate and put that all together. So it's the same recipe. And that's what it looks like. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.